In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LCD screen on a Nexus 5. As you can see, my phone has a broken screen. So I went on the internet and I bought from China a new LCD screen. Let's see what's in the box. It comes with a set of tools to open the phone, and it comes with the new LCD screen. There's the new screen with no crack. At the same time as changing the broken screen, I'm also going to change the battery. The battery inside only lasts a few hours now. It doesn't work very well. And I'm going to change the charging port because sometimes the charging port doesn't work. So I bought another package from China, and inside that has a new battery, and there is a new charging port. Okay, so they're all the parts that I have to change over. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to open the phone, take the back cover off and disconnect the battery and unscrew all of the screws. And I'm going to use the tools that they gave me in the package. Let's have a look at what we got. We got two small screwdrivers, a plastic pick, another plastic pry tool, and a suction cup. The first thing we're going to do is use the plastic pick to open the plastic back cover of the phone. The back of the phone opens like that. And take the back bit off, and now we can see inside the phone. And that's the battery there we want to replace because it doesn't work very well anymore. Okay, now we have the back cover off. We need to unscrew all of the screws. We're going to use this small screwdriver and take off all these screws here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's important that you keep these screws and don't lose them. Okay, now I've taken all the screws off. Now it's time to remove these plastic covers here. And the next step, I'm going to disconnect the battery. This is the battery and this is the connector here. Now the battery is disconnected. I'm also going to disconnect this one here. Okay, and here we have, this is the antenna for the Wi-Fi. I'm going to disconnect that. Okay, the next piece to come off is the main board, which has the CPU. And now I'll take the battery out. Okay, and next you have to remove the back-facing camera, the speaker port, the headphone jack, and the front-facing selfie camera, as well as the microphone housing. This is the rear facing camera. Okay, now this broken screen is empty. Can bring in the new screen. And now I'm going to put all the parts from here back into here. I'm going to put in the camera. Okay, next I'm going to put in the new flex cable. Next is time to install the new battery. And now we can install the main board. And next is to put back on the plastic cover. Okay, next it's time to put the screws back in. And finally, I can put the back cover on. And now it's time to turn it on. And there we go. All fixed. Good as new.